Hello guys and welcome to the brand new video. Today we're gonna be taking a look at my new really cool $8 vintage Bluetooth speaker kind of looking thing. This one, the TDV26 with LED display. Look at this thing, looks very cool. There's USB on the side, mini B on this side with audio in TF and audio out. Little speaker on the back. And yeah, also it has this. Can't quite. There you go. Here's your display. There's a battery thing. Let's do a little sound test on the speaker. I know my camera is awful, but who cares, right? Let's do this one. Nee, this one. Phoenix. That's a good song for testing cheap speakers. It actually sounds pretty nicer by upgrade. I put a bass radiator on the inside. Yeah, it sounds pretty awesome for what it is, to be honest. Also, when you change the volume, which is with this, you even have a volume display. Pretty cool.